I bet you didn't know a smoothie could be this tasty and healthy. Let's blend up some goodness. Here's what you'll need. Baby spinach or kale for those leafy greens. Freeze them ahead of time for a frosty texture. Half a frozen banana, sweet and creamy. Pro tip, freeze them ripe and spotty for max sweetness. Add almond butter and chia seeds for healthy fats and creaminess. Frozen orange segments for natural sweetness and a vitamin C boost. Unsweetened almond milk to get it all blending smoothly. And don't forget the ice cubes for that perfect frosty touch. Want to switch it up? Try Swiss chard, collard greens, or even frozen broccoli instead of spinach or kale. Swap in frozen mango or pineapple when it's not citrus season. Use coconut milk, oat milk, or orange juice as your liquid base. Or add hemp hearts, protein powder, or Greek yogurt for an extra boost. Blend it up, and there you have it, a delicious green powerhouse of a smoothie. Let me know what variations you try. Cheers to health.